Next we'll go down and we'll look at the SAN. We have the drop down menu. You can see volumes. You can see volume summary. Go into the volume summary, it shows you all the volumes that you have access that have been created, and this shows their current status. Replication summary shows you any replications that you have, and this would be iSCSI asynchronous replications. So this volume is being replicated to an offsite location, and this is the current status of that replication. You can create new volumes. On the create new volumes, you can use auto create, which starts using the first available space. If you have multiple resources, you may want to use manual create. The reason that you would use manual create is maybe you have different speed resources, like you have HDDs and you have SDDs. You might want a particular volume to run on the faster drives versus the slower drives, such as a database. You may want it to run on an SDD. In that case, you would select the faster drives to create your volume on. So that's the manual create. You can create pass-through volumes, thin volumes, or NAS segments.